Complex problems demand engineered solutions. Today's developers face a critical challenge: how to seamlessly integrate thermal cores in modern embedded environments. Without the right interface, development stalls. Sierra-Olympia's MIPI development kit integrates thermal cores with modern processors, out of the box. Compatible with NVIDIA Jetson, preloaded drivers, documentation, and support, seamless connections include HDMI, Ethernet, and USB. 28-pin and 22-pin interface compatibility. Precision engineered for both 640 and 1280 resolution applications. Custom boards. Proven hardware. Flexible integrations for every environment. Sierra-Olympia. From prototype to program, we engineer thermal imaging solutions that scale. Full specifications at sierraolympia.com.